Hi everyone, my name is Nurgle. I'm based in Canberra. I'm Uyghur, and as you all know, Australian Parliament back in 2021 refused to acknowledge Uyghur genocide. Now, 3 years on, we are pain and agony and what are suffering Uyghur people going through is never actually decreased or never actually getting any better. And it's the genocide still happening, and our people are still dislocated, no proper communication with family members. People still disappeared inside an internment camp. Internment camps are turning into prison, and there's ongoing the mass sentencing keep happening, and yet while there's so many wars going on around the world, Uyghur issues are somewhat turning into back burner. What I'm standing here today is raise awareness, bring Uyghur genocide back into the front page, and I would like to send a very strong message to Australian Parliament House, and Uyghur genocide must be recognised in both houses. And I will stand in a hunger strike as long as my body allows me to do so. So today's a day one. Thanks for your support.